Hi everyone, welcome back. Now before we go on to our next task, which is outside today, we've just got to finish this area off. We're cladding it with this pine. Really pleased with this. Okay, let's get going. So what we do there, cut in a piece, go behind, accept the next one going across, and put a noggin across the top as well, that way. Well, it's nice and calm out there. I know it's not for a lot of people. Please stay safe wherever you are around the world. Just pop some fixings in that will hold the plank just fine. Will it fit? Oh no. If all goes well, that last one will be just a little bit too wide. Yep, that's perfect. And that one will go behind. And then once it comes to dropping the ceiling down to level off these beams, we'll put the perimeter timber running across to level off this ceiling, because there is no chance with these beams. Right, I'm heading outside, see you there. Now unfortunately my next job is a bit of a prickly subject. Let me explain. Yes, you guessed it, it's the brambles. Now what I plan to do is cut these back. There's some gooseberries and some other fruit bushes in here. We're going to have to put some black plastic over here to kill off the brambles once and for all. Once a week I'm going to be doing a garden video mixed in with other bits and pieces, but that way it makes me keep on top of it and it doesn't get neglected like it did last year. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do a weekly garden video, and that could be landscaping, planting, vegetables, drives, you name it, it'll all be included in that. Okay, get set up, let's get cutting. Now I'm going to be using a hedge trimmer, some loppers, and that way I can get into it without cutting down the fruit bushes. It's a shame to lose the fruit bushes. I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see at least 5. Now I think I'm right in saying that to move fruit in bushes, probably best done early spring, or maybe this time of year before they start budding. Just these brambles, so difficult to cut when you've got fruit in bushes, so we're going to move these for sure. Can you hear the noisy neighbours? What a lovely sound, farmyard sound. Now I've got petrol equipment, but because it's Sunday I like to keep the noise down and just use the electric ones. Why not? let the battle commence. You know, it's important to do this the right time of year. There won't be any nesting birds or anything in here, but you know, just be vigilant when you're using power tools around the wildlife. And already we can see a marked improvement. Yes, I think going forward, if I keep these weekly videos going, it won't be long before I'm on top of the garden again this year. Yeah, last year was a bad time for the garden for me. Busy in the cottage, stuff gets away from you, but not now. See you next time.